Welcome to lecture on application of computer in field of biology. Myself Dr. D.S. V.Z.K. Kaladar, Associate Professor, Microbiology and Bioinformatics, UTD, Atal Bihari Vajpayee University, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. In this lecture, we will find about what are the fields involved in the application of computers towards biology. General introduction. Computers in biology is a revolutionary advances being made in the application of the computer to the fields of biosciences. The invention of computer by Charles Babbage heralded the fourth great advance in communication techniques, being preceded by speech, writing and printing. Biological computers are a kind of biosensors which have emerged as an interdisciplinary field that draws together in molecular biology, chemistry, computer science and mathematics. Ability to use large amount of working memory, that is 1 gram of DNA can hold up to 455 exabytes of data, or which is equal to 145 trillion compact discs or CDs, where one CD is equal to 800 MB. Coming to applications of computers in biology, the first application is biological research. Computer is an essential tool for biological research, whether for academic purpose or for commercial purpose. Computers play a major role today in every field of scientific research, from genetic engineering to astrophysics research. Interdisciplinary group focusing on the development of algorithms and computational tools to understand, predict and manipulate complex biological networks. Some of the examples in biological research are 1. In silico metabolic engineering, 2. Theoretical investigations of biological networks, 3. Biological data analysis and 4. Systems dynamics. Second application, computers to laboratory. Most of the computers has been using for the purpose of laboratory. Laboratory computer applications can be described as one of the following functions. 1. Control of experiments including timing and synchronizing external voltages. 2. Data acquisition, usually through digital conversion of analog electrical signals. The third one is data storage and fourth is data analysis. Event simulation is considered both as a research tool and as an important element in the educational area. Word processing and the automated creation of literature references lists is considered as an ignored role of the microcomputer in the laboratory field. Many laboratories of biotechnologists are working hard to build a molecular computer. Third application, medicine. The computer technology has revolutionized the field of medicine. The computers can hold and store huge amounts of medical data. The use of computers in many applications such as medical images, digital X-ray images, digital microscope image, electronic medical records, clinical decision support systems, hospital administration and video games to hone laparoscopic surgeons. Medical imaging is the process of creating a picture of the inside of a human body or an animal body. A computer can classify the tissues shown in the image, guide neurosurgery, identify potential problems, measure the thickness of certain tissues, or even decode mental states. Fourth application, information storage and processing. Day by day, the data has been increasing. Computer can hold the huge amount of data and can process very fast. Computers allow for greater information storage and processing. A good example of this is the Genome Project. The use of computing technology and statistics when studying DNA strands is part of what's called bioinformatics. As computing power increases, the possibilities for bioinformatics increases. IBM showcased its latest design called Watson, which destroyed humans best at Jeopardy. Watson has the potential to revolutionize medicine by compiling all the medicinal studies or medical studies done so far and process the information rapidly, saving doctors valuable time. The fifth application is bioinformatics. As an interdisciplinary field of science, bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics, and statistics to analyze and interpret the biological data. Bioinformatics has been used for in silico analysis of biological queries using mathematical and statistical techniques. Several applications like biological databases, DNA and protein sequence prediction and analysis, phylogenetic analysis, contic and conserved site searches, restriction enzyme searches, sequence and structure predictions, identification and characterization of genes and genomes can be well studied. Sixth application is molecular modeling and drug designing. Molecular modeling has become a valuable and essential tool to medicinal chemists in the drug design process. The development of new drugs with potential therapeutic applications is one of the most complex and difficult process in the pharmaceutical industry. As the activity of a drug is the result of the multitude of factors such as bioavailability, toxicity, and metabolism, rational drug design has been utopias for centuries. Very recently, impressive technological advances in areas in the field of computers, such as the structural characterization of biomacromolecules, computer sciences, and molecular biology, has made rational drug designing feasible. The seventh application is image analysis. Visualization and image analysis methods are critical for understanding various features of cell biology, molecular biology, and neurosciences. The goal of image analysis technique is to combine the results of the wet laboratory techniques with image analysis softwares, thereby providing more quantitative information. The eighth application is systems biology. In recent decades, biologists have begun to study about living systems, what is known as systems biology. Basically, elements within a biological system are studied with respect to other elements. By combining all the elements together, a holistic model for the system can be created. Computers has been used to study systems such as the working of the brain and to study models for ecological and anatomical systems. Because biology is now more connected with mathematics, computers also used to study biological systems in a deterministic manner. The ninth application is biosensors. Computer-aided technologies for biosensor design remain an actively developing field. The technology can be applied to industry-grade biosensor development and can be easily extended to model multiple types of biosensors for a wide array of clinical applications. To design a biosensor, a mathematical model can be constructed based on the design specification, including input, the type of analyte and its concentration, signal output like current density, and system parameters like enzyme compositions. The model can be then validated by comparing its signal output with the real-time biosensor data to test its accuracy. Some of the examples of the biosensors which has been developed are like BP measurements, digital thermometers, glucometers, etc. 10th application is machine learning. Patterns is what a machine tries to identify in a given data, using which it tries to identify a similar patterns in another set of data. The processes of machine learning are quite similar to predictive modeling and data mining. Biological sciences are becoming data-rich and information-intensive. Machine learning, or simply ML techniques, have become very useful tools for resolving important questions in biology by providing mathematical frameworks to analyze vast amount of biological information. The examples of machine learning usage is gene prediction techniques, promoter identification, etc. Coming to the 11th application, biocomputing. Biocomputing is one of the new fields in research which deals with computer science and biology but does not fit to both. A DNA computer has been used for the first time to find the only correct answer from over a million possible solutions to a computational problem. Before one can turn living organisms into computational systems, biocomputing researchers need a way to create and connect multiple circuit switches, clocks and so forth with a signal cell. The researchers believe that the complexity of the structure of biological molecules could allow DNA computers to outperform from their electronic counterparts in future. Coming to conclusion, the biological computer is a device which could be used in various medical applications where intercellular evaluation and treatments are needed. The computers in biology is useful in monitoring intracellular activities including mutation of genes, drug designing against disease genes, etc. A piece of analysis that would take a human in 20 years to complete could be done by computers in days. The examples of application of computers in life sciences or biology are bioinformatics, data or information storage, systems biology, molecular modeling and drug designing, etc. These are the references used for the lecture preparation. Thank you.